Welcome to my workshop. Today, I'll show you how a handcrafted obsidian knife is made. From raw volcanic stone,
The key to controlled fracture is the precise angle and force of the strike. This allows the energy to ripple through the material.
Each obsidian knife is tested for sharpness, balance, and craftsmanship.
And that's how a handcrafted obsidian knife comes to life, from raw stone to a masterpiece in your hands.
Subscribe for more artisan craft journeys and process documentaries.